Hello, it's Derek Medina, and today we are going to have our first ever Java tutorial. Our first ever computer tutorial, because we just got a microphone. Expect many more tutorials. But anyway, to start off, it's a Java tutorial, as the title says. And Java is a programming language, even though you've probably heard it using something besides that. Besides the coding language, but whatever. This is the same process with any program, any operating system. So follow along no matter what operating system you're on. Okay. So first you have to type in java.sun and press Google search. Go to downloads. Java SE downloads. My bad. Now go to JDK. You want to download the newest one, by the way. Whichever one it is. They give you the option for the JDK or the JRE. JDK lets you actually make the programs, but the JRE only runs them. The JDK also runs them. So really, the JRE is pointless. So, download the JDK. It will bring you to this page. You just have to press download. If you want to log in, you can, but I'm not going to, because I'm not a member. And press save. I'm going to discard it only because it's already downloaded. Then go back to Google once it's downloaded. Type in Eclipse. Go to Eclipse downloads. Now get the newer one, and also get the bigger one. The smaller one is okay, but I'm using the bigger one. Now just download it for Windows. Oh, you know what? Maybe you can't. I think you can get Eclipse for Mac and other ones, but you're gonna have to look around. I don't feel like going out just for people Macs, because not many people have Macs. Just kidding. Okay, so you want to click on the mirror, which I just did, and you just download it. But since I've already done that, you're good to go. Okay, once you did that, you want to go to wherever you saved Eclipse, drag it down, and put it right wherever you want to put it. Double click on it. Yep. And we're just okay. Then this will pop up. Which workspace? You can name whatever file, but I just named a workspace. I also have other IDEs, which I just put like C++ workspace, but since this was my first language, there we go. I just named a workspace. Then you will see this load, and we're just gonna wait for it to load. Sorry, this isn't a very good mic. It's just a webcam mic, because I have nothing else. Here we go. Okay. I'm going to just delete this. Okay. And what you want to do is you're going to see an introduction. You can go through that if you want, but I'm not, since I don't have it anyway. Just exit out of it, because you're going to see the tab up here. Just press the X. Then go to File, New. New project or Java project. Most of you start out with project, so I'm just going to click on that. Click on that. Next. Name it. I'm going to name it Hello YouTube. Ready? Finish. Now you're going to see this. You want to click the arrow right here. And you're going to see source and JRE, blah blah blah. Just focus on the source. Right click on source. Go to new. Instead of clicking on project, click on class. Name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it waffles because waffles are nice. I like waffles. Anyway, here we go. Public class waffles. Public class, it means that any other classes can use them. Using more than one class is kind of advanced. We'll go into that later. Now, and the name is Waffles. So go into the next one. And then you want to start writing some code, right? Okay, so you want to type in public static void main. Now, I could spend an entire tutorial on each word, but I don't feel like it because it's late. As you can tell by the screen, it's 10:52, and oh, it's 10:53. I better get going. Whatever. Then you want to type in parentheses, string, args, and square brackets. You don't need to make a space. And then squigglies. Okay, so basically what I just did is we're making a public method. It's going to be static, void, and main. Main means that this is going to be the first method, which is where we put our actual codes in. Like if you have a bunch of different methods, it's going to start at main and go to the next method, and then the next method, then the next method, etc. Okay, so then you want to type in system. Oh wait, no. If we run this right now, you don't actually see anything because we didn't tell Java to output anything. So to do that, we have to tell Java or the system dot out or output print in the form of printing in parentheses, so it knows what to print and what not to print, and quote, so Java knows it's going to be words. Hello world. And then you want to put a semicolon at the end because all coding in Java ends with a semicolon to tell Java to go to the next line. But since there is none, and Java can see that this is here, it will stop. So as you can guess, it's going to output print hello world. Don't believe me? I'll prove it. Run. Okay. See? Yeah. You believe me now, don't you? Yeah. Okay. So basically, public class Waffles, I explained to you what everything does except for this. I'll do that in a different tutorial, like tutorial number 5. After you get the actual theory of Java, I'll explain to you more in depth. Like once you get the gist of it, in like tutorial 10, actually. But whatever, there's gonna be a lot of tutorials. But as all good programmers say after their first app, or as I'm gonna say, goodbye, YouTube. I'll miss you. No, not really. No, not at all. No. Bye. No. Fine, just bye. Bye.